at the end, I would like to request, can you sing 2 line, any song, any of your favorite song?
Okay.
Let's talk about the final interview. So how was all the interview rounds? Please tell us.
So for Samsung for us it came on like day one. It was in the afternoon slot. So first I went into the room, and the first question was like, tell us about your research experience and what problem have you solved? Why did you reach to that problem? So after that basic introduction, and also like during my BTech, I had some CV project which I had done, which was on virtual cloth fitting. Okay, the guy who was there, who was taking my interview, he was also from a CV background. Like had he been from an NLP side, then I guess the interview wouldn't have gone very well. Because as he was also from the CV side, we were like, our wavelengths matched, and it was not like interview, it was more of a discussion session which we had.
So what was it about? Virtual
cloth fitting. So you have
cloth
these
fitting.
sites.
Okay.
Yeah. So
right. It's just like Lenskart or something. You can try dresses within phones.
Yeah. So what, like, my problem was basically at that time, like that I didn't be BTech third year. So I got a paper out of that, and I remember there, and it was a very simple thing, but he really got interested that, okay, what did you do here? What algorithm you followed? So luckily, like if I had done something in my CV, I should know what. Just like don't फेंकना नहीं है CV पे.
Right.
That's the thing. Okay, if you've written something, you should know about it. So luckily, I had like revised and read my paper, and then I went. So I was able to explain that. And also the second part of my like project at IIT Madras was on object detection, deep learning based object detection. So there we know that there are these famous algorithms which are there, like faster, RCNN, and he also worked in those algorithms. So he started asking me, can you explain me the working of this? How does it work? And what is the difference between a single stage object detector and a two stage? So all it went in that paper reading thing. So yही सब questions थे, and then the basic regularization stuff was there. So one interesting question which the interviewer asked me, that in a convolutional neural network, so there you have a pooling layer. You have max pooling layer and an average pooling layer. So when you're doing edge detection, like your task is of edge detection, what would you apply? Would you apply a max pool or an average pool? It's not like when you solve this, you would think like, okay, it doesn't make a difference like what I apply, but no, it does. You have to use a max pool there. If you use the average pool there, then the result won't be good, and maybe you'll not get what is expected. These are very tiny questions.
Yeah, this is very basic. Means
I know
you get this in SIR's PPT also.
Yeah, so that these are the very like basic questions which they ask, and also that how do you backpropagate through a max pool layer? Okay, right. And then he asked me about like k-means clustering algorithm. What are the drawbacks of using k-means? And then there was this in LSTM. How does it solve the vanishing gradient problem, and what problem it doesn't solve? So there I had to like actually draw the LSTM diagram and explain him through all the equations and everything. So what they do in the interviews is like they give you a bunch of sheets. I don't know why, but I also carried a bunch of sheets with myself. So at that time, like whatever you are saying, first of all, think aloud, because he wants to know your thought process. And then if you're going in the wrong direction, maybe he can correct you. And also whatever you're saying, it's always better to draw it out or just write it down. So that I guess really helps. Like I remember I used up all the sheets he has given me. So yeah, I mean, just keep talking there and not just blabber, but think aloud.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Just sit quietly and like let him like just staring at each other won't help. Yeah, you have to think aloud.
Right.
So these were the like in the first round it was all technical. So and then I came out and like immediately they called me for a second round.
Oh,
and second round was with a senior, like very senior at Samsung. So there he directly just looked at my CV. He looked at the papers I have published. Yeah, I guess I got selected because I like in my resume I had 3 papers, like 2 from BTech and 1 from MS. So there he directly looked at the conferences.
You already had 2 papers in your BTech, and you also did virtual cloth fitting in your third year UG. compared to
Yeah.
you, I was kid in my UG.
No, the thing is that, I mean, those are not very great papers, I would say, but yeah, they are all like ACM and IEEE papers. So, I mean, I don't know why I wrote them, but I guess at that time he looked at my resume. He's like, okay, you have a IEEE Connect paper and this. And then he started asking me, do you know about the KDD conference? We also publish papers there. And so I was like, yeah, I was aware of all these conferences because in my lab there are people who have gotten their papers there. So with him it was more of an informal conversation which we had again about my paper, completely about my paper. There was no technical these machine learning, deep learning stuff. It was all about my project work. And then the third round was HR, and in HR they are prior to joining IIT, I also worked for 2 years at Center for Development of Telematics. So there she asked me, why did you leave your job? Where are your hometown, your hobbies, and this general HR stuff. Till I did not know that I had gotten selected. I had another interview for Myntra, and my friends, they are like, if you know that you have gotten this job, you will not give your interview well. So they had not told me until the second round of Myntra. And there I got rejected, and then they are like, yeah, you got Samsung, don't worry. Okay, fine, fine, you tell me now. So yeah, these are the things they do.
So it was a very, very great learning experience.
And the thing is that all these happen so fast, you don't get time to think that you're coming out of one room, going into the next, and you suddenly don't know what's happening. Like it goes out in a flash. You don't get a lot of time to think there.
So ये तो हो गया interview के बाद. Okay, let's have some kind of informal talks now. I would like to have a rapid fire round with you. Be honest and be honest. In short, be honest. Okay. My first question is, what is your hidden talent? I know you are very much talented. I know you sing a lot.
No, I guess during interviews I smile a lot. When I'm very anxious, I smile a lot to try that, to hide that face of anxiety. I suffered a lot during my childhood. So because I was anxious and all. So the good thing which I've learned at IIT is how to keep poker face and just keep smiling no matter what is happening around you and how much tense or anxious you are. Say that is my hidden talent. Yeah.
Smiling is your hidden talent.
Yeah, whenever I'm tense, like now, you can see I'm constantly smiling. Yeah, so that is what I do.
At back of your head, you are nervous.
Yeah, right, because I haven't been interviewed like this before, It's always been a one-on-one, never on a video. So.
If you were to write a book about yourself, what would you name it?
Name it? It's a trick one. I haven't given a thought about it.
Face problems with smiling faces.
Yeah. So, I always believe, okay, so from my childhood, I was a lover of Harry Potter, okay? And there I am. Yeah. So there I like the idea, of rising from ashes. So basically I would most of the time my phone and everything is named as Phoenix. So it's something related to that I would probably write, give the name. Okay. Something related to that, yeah.
If you can travel back in time, what would you tell to your version of Preetha who is going to join IIT Madras?
So I would tell her that be patient, good things happen, but it takes time. You just have to hang in there. There will be rejections and everything, but yeah, things will get better.
And keep smiling.
Yeah. That's my mantra now. Keep smiling.
Are you afraid of anything in life?
In life? Yeah, I am afraid of rejection. It's weird because there have been rejections in my life and I have been afraid of that. But again, I guess, moving past your fears is what life is about. Right?
It's part of life.
Yeah.
How you handle disappointments and rejections in life?
So there is one thing I like to talk about it a lot. Whenever I failed or something, my father is a great listener. I would call him up and he would just stay quiet and I'll just blabber, or else I would usually sing whenever I'm sick. So I think everyone should have a hobby, So whenever you are down, that can help you uplift your mood. No matter, it can be anything. Yeah.
At the end, I would like to request, can you sing 2 lines? Any song, any of your favorite songs?
Okay. किसे पूछूं ऐसा क्यों बेजुबां सा ये जहां है खुशी के पल कहाँ ढूंढूं मैं निशान सा वक्त भी यहाँ है. बनते हैं सपने क्यों आँखों में, लकीरें जब छूटे ने हाथों से ओ बेवजह, जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा, जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा.
That was really awesome. That was really awesome.
Thank you.
That was really awesome. I would also put your I think SoundCloud, right?
Yeah, SoundCloud.
I would put your SoundCloud link in description. People would love to hear you.
Sure, thank you so much.
Yeah.
And I hope I did justice to the song because I'm not in a very great singing. I just like recovered from cold and like luckily I was able to sing without coughing, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm like glad I did it. So it's always uplifts my mood. I don't know. And yeah.
Thank you so much, Preetha, for your time. It was amazing to have you tonight.
Same here, Ellen. It was like really like good to share my experience, and I hope it really helps people because yeah, it will be a tense time, but I would say that it's okay and you'll sail past it.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best, guys. Whoever are preparing for placement.
Chalo.
So if you found this video helpful, do like it, share and subscribe to the channel IIT and Dreams for more such wonderful content.